Ani! I am honored to share this recipe for wild rice soup. Manoomin, or wild rice in the Ojibwe language, is native to the lakes and rivers of the Great Lakes region in Canada. Manoomin is a gift from the Creator, and there are many people and clans who honor this gift through ceremony before, during, and after each harvest. Wild rice is known as an aquatic grain, which means that it lives or grows in water. Its seed heads stretch far and wide across many northern lakes. It is one of the healthiest foods to eat. It has more than 12% protein, it is gluten-free, and a good source of vitamins and minerals. There are many variations to wild rice soup, and this recipe includes the addition of spinach for extra nutritional benefit. Let's cook. Time to look at the ingredients. Prepare the rice for cooking by soaking it overnight in cold water, which will help it to cook quicker the next day. Manoomin triples in bulk when it's cooked. For this recipe, 3/4 cup wild rice equals 2 1/4 cups cooked rice. The next day, rinse the rice thoroughly in cold water until the water runs clear. Add the drained rice to 2 1/2 cups of water. You may substitute chicken broth for more flavor if you like. Bring to a boil, then cover and simmer over low heat for about 20 minutes. In a large fry pan, melt a 1/2 cup butter over medium heat. Then add the chopped celery, carrots, and onion, stirring to coat the vegetables and cook until the vegetables are soft, about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, sprinkle in 1/3 cup flour over the vegetables and cook, stirring until evenly coated and lightly browned, about 3 minutes. Move the vegetables to a large pot and set aside. Season the chicken with salt and pepper and stir into the same pan that you cook the vegetables in, cooking the chicken on medium heat, stirring often until it is cooked all the way through. Add the 5 cups of chicken broth to the pot with the vegetables and cook on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, making sure to stir often. Turn the heat down to low and slowly add the 2 cups of half and half, stirring constantly. The soup is starting to come together, and now it is time to add the fresh chopped spinach and the cooked wild rice. Stir this all together, and then add the spices, rosemary, dill, and fennel seeds. Simmer the soup for 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Once the soup has thickened, season with salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy the delicious gift of Manoomin. Chi miigwech.